HD580, Vector was just awesome to
Phenomenal.
work with. Learning the issues that we saw with the fixed mount props, which we have right here, versus the seesaw style clamp. We saw excessive vibration and excessive wear on components
80%
prematurely.
it reduced by just going to the seesaw clamp. That's crazy.
And really the problems that we saw, the kind of tickets and warranty issues we saw were resolved by that upgrade.
And to be honest with you, I think a lot of that came from our dealers and the people that
feedback.
were the feedback, and they took that feedback to heart. And any of that feedback that we received, Vector immediately got on top of it and answered it and fixed it.
They've been awesome.
Yeah,
they've been awesome. Yeah, and we have, quite a few of these drones just covering acres every day. And they just keep getting better. The software improvements, for example, the efficiency improvements. From the first day we started running these to now, you see how much faster they've gotten in the turns, how much faster they've gotten in flight.
Well, that was a major thing in the beginning, is it was so wonky in the
jerky.
turns.
Yeah,
kind of jerky.
It reminded me of the
early
drones
days
from like 2 years ago, which is like an eternity in drone
Now it's
years.
super smooth.
Very smooth, very fast, efficient.
Yep.
One thing that really kind of surprised me of this drone that I wasn't expecting is the terrain following is probably some of the best in the industry.
And the radar is unbelievable.
It's awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. That was definitely a concern I had early on is, okay, it's only a radar-based system. We've seen other radar-based systems that don't have things like LiDAR or cameras, and some of them didn't work that well in obstacle detection, but I've been really impressed.
Well, just the fact that it has, 360, has rear facing, upward facing.
That's right.
It's really...
They make it pretty hard to crash this
Yeah,
thing.
they do.
Yeah.
They do, especially at speeds at 40 miles an hour. For it to pick up an obstacle that far away and really run smoothly, it's been a phenomenal machine.
And I've been tracking, working with our support team and our tech team, and this drone, since we've released it, even including some of the early production issues that we talked about, it's had the fewest customer complaints.
So tickets, you're saying?
Yeah, any
Okay.
tickets, customer complaints that we've had of any brand that we've sold so far. And that, I think, says a lot about
Absolutely.
the product. It's been reliable, it's been consistent, and it's a good price point for what you get.
Well, shout out to our tech team too. Those guys are there
Yeah.
answering questions, taking calls at all different hours of the day. They're fantastic.
Yeah. Awesome. We can move on to a different topic.
I guess the next thing is perhaps we can open the drone up at a later date and kind of go over some of the components and maybe show them a little closer.
Exactly, and we've done some walkarounds of the drone early on, but like you said, a lot of things have changed. They've improved the arms and props, and a lot of the software. I think is the biggest changes are in the software. So
that'll be a good one to go over next
We'll spend
time.
some time and go out in the field and show you guys all the updates and how it's improved.
If you guys need anything as far as sales or interested in purchasing an HD580, the link below, give us a call. We're happy to help out.
I'd want to say buy our merch, but we need to get some merch.
Yeah, we need to get some merch.
I know we're wearing it, but
Yep.
well, it might be on our website soon.
There you go.
Yeah.